I got this. Shut her in. Young G.
Snowmageddon 2011. Addie G's coming out the door. Snow's probably gonna be over her head, but she don't care. Snow drifts over my car. Chelsea trying to shovel for the first time in her life. Grandma, acting crazy old lady. Addison, what is it?
No.
Say blizzard. It's a blizzard. You're eating snow? Oh man, I think she's funny throwing snowballs at me. Roads as clear as they've been in 2 days. Finally got a plow coming through. You gonna play in the snow with us? Are you throwing snow? Addison's stuck in a snowdrift.
Can you get out?
Come on, come here.
Are you stuck?
Are you having fun, Boo Boo? Having fun yet, Boo Boo? You're eating it? That's about all it's good for. Till Nella gets to it. Life rule number 77. Don't eat yellow snow. Okay? As long as it's not yellow. The white stuff's the good stuff. Here comes Chelsea after shoveling for the first time in her life, ever.
Second.
Here it is, second, sorry.
We had to move that pile and then you can go into the driveway. We got style.
So Papa, keep on going.
Where are you going?
So keep on going.
She like me, pass right by white flag. Like what was that? Niggas still wearing fruity stones, man. Who does that? White platinum gold rolling with the white stone, looking better than Lisa Ray in a white thong. Somewhere on the white beach, in some white sand, laying in the white bucket, building a white snowman. White sky, white cloud. You say it's a white day. White sky, white cloud. I say it look like yeah. Married to the